Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. You need to begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. In it, click on App Cloner and click on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Facebook. Now, in order to continue, select this gray sweater next to Create App Clone and wait. When it's ready, adjust those two options below it. You can rename your app clone and then hit save to save your new name. And also tap on when using quick functions and select the best option for you. Always ask or open main app. When you're ready, just click on home button. So now when I look, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, access exactly the same settings and tap on the same now blue sweater next to Create App Clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!